Hello and welcome everyone. So how you can download Ubuntu 22.04, okay? So how you can download ISO file, okay? So open the Chrome browser, whatever browser you can use it, okay? So open the Chrome browser and I'll mention this link in the description, and open this link and slide down a little bit, and you can see there are lots of versions here. We have to select 22.4, okay, 22.4. You can see here we have 22.4.4, okay. So this version, okay, so click on it, and now you can see there are lots of images. You can see here Ubuntu 22.4 beta desktop AMD 64-bit, okay. So click on it and it will going to download your ISO file, okay. So just save it and it will take little bit time. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.